Hello everyone, my name is Andrea and today we talk about our product of GTP full filter. This part works as a filter of the system with the main objective to retain and filter unwanted contaminants so that they don't pass into the fuel system. Its function is to protect the induction and fuel system against all kinds of particles. This filter fits Case, Massey Ferguson and New Holland tractors. Well, thanks for watching this video, and remember that you can find this product and other many products in our page globaltractorparts.com, and we'll see you in another video.